Welcome to FAULHABER Drive Time. In this video, I will show you the datasheet of our new linear actuator family, the L series. Where do you find the FAULHABER datasheet for the L series? Let's have a look on our homepage. The datasheet is structured in following areas. You have the title with the most important informations, type of execution, and the maximum continuous axial force. Then we see the performance values, the diagram for the operating area, the drawing, the possible options, and the combination possibilities. Let's have a closer look. All values are based on 22-degree ambient temperature. You see the number of gearhead stages and corresponding reduction ratio and values. Some, like the axial force and the efficiency, varies with the number of stages. Some are constant, like speed and the play. For the 6, 8, and 10, the reduction ratios are by design the exact reduction ratios. For the 22 and 32L, they are rounded values. To be sure, take a look on the absolute reduction ratio sheet. The peak output speed is calculated out of the maximum permissible rotational peak speed, the lead screw, and the reduction ratio by this formula. The maximum continuous input speed and the continuous axial force serve as guideline. It is possible to operate at higher values, but lifetime will decrease. To obtain optimal performance and lifetime, the recommended values should be considered. The peak input linear speed value may be applied for short intervals not exceeding 20% of the continuous duty cycle. And this value should definitely not be exceeded. It could cause early damage with abrupt stop. The dynamic and the static peak axial force should not be exceeded in any operation phase to avoid damage of the system. For this, the motor current could be limited. The output power is a result of output speed and force. The efficiency of the gearhead and the screw. It's important to understand that overall efficiency of a drive system is the multiplication of each component's efficiency, and it is not constant. The published value is the maximum corresponding to the maximum continuous force. At low load, the efficiency is lower and close to zero. Mass inertia and accuracy are the maximum ones considering the various possible configurations of the gear train and the standard screw. If you need more detailed information for calculating for your positioning application, please contact our sales. The exact positioning task, also the typical gearhead backlash at no load, the radial play for the screw 10 mm from flange, and the axial play from screw and nut are relevant informations. Here you find the standard screw length that could be changed with standard options or be customized up to the given maximum length. Note that changing the screw length has impact on several parameters like the critical speed and the buckling load, which I will talk in the next video about the working diagram. Please respect the small notes explaining the condition under which the published values are valid. This section shows information about the screw and the nut. For the small screw, we have a proprietary screw profile. For the ball screw, SB and PB, the norm DIN ISO 3408 applies. For the metric lead screw, it's the DIN 30, and the trapezoidal screw, it's the DIN 103. Most important information to respect here is the operating temperature range. Please respect it to ensure best performances. In case you require extended operation temperature, take a look at the options or contact us. The dimensional drawing section, you can find measures and tolerances of the actuator as well as for the drive system. The maximum depth of the thread is given, and the runout tolerance for the standard nut could be found. In the 22 and 32 L series, you see also the cable orientation in relation to the screw flange. Next is a list of possible options for the gear and the screw. And here you see the possible product combinations with all motor types, and the resulting length L2 of motor plus gear without screw. To sum up the most important points, let's switch back to the website. The key features are given just below the product name. By selecting the variant, you get all the information to performance values, performance diagram, dimensional drawing, product combination, and additional documents for download. For any further questions, please do not hesitate to contact our local sales or leave a comment below. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel, take care, and goodbye.